Tell me what you're making.
Popcorn.
Popcorn?
Yeah.
Have you ever done it this way before?
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of times?
Yeah.
No.
No.
What do you think's gonna happen?
These whole things gonna make white, yellow popcorn.
That's true. And then what are we gonna do with the popcorn?
And watch the movie.
Yeah. I hope it's delicious.
Yeah.
What are you waiting for?
Popcorn.
Yeah, for it to pop, right?
Yeah.
Still cloudy again.
Hey!
Oh!
Butter's not melting.
Just give it a second. It's doing it! Yay!
Oh.
Pop, pop, pop. Is it done?
Yeah.
Can you hear it anymore?
I feel like there should be a lot more.
I don't know, let's give it another second. I don't want to burn it.
Because in the videos,
I know. Well,
it
maybe.
gets filled to the top.
Well, they probably put in more kernels, dummy. I think you should turn it off, though.
Really?
Turn it off. All right, Drew, let's check it out.